Hi there, for today's video we are going to continue reviewing nonfiction text features. We've been going over this all week, and so this is just a little review. So nonfiction means real. There's some facts, you'll be learning some real information. Text features help locate important information in a text. Let's go ahead and review the different ones that we've gone over this week. We've gone over table of contents. That's usually at the beginning of a book, and that lets us, the reader, know where what page number the different information is going to be on. Heading, that is usually at the top of a page, and that lets us, the reader, know what the page or section is going to be about. Bold print or bold words, they stand out on the page. The rest of the words are a little bit lighter, and the bold print is darker or highlighted. Stands out and lets us, the reader, know, hey, that's an important word we need to know. Caption is whenever you have a photo, drawing, or image and a sentence or a few words underneath, letting us know what's happening in that picture. Labels and diagrams. Labels are the words. Diagram is the labels with the picture. So you have maybe a tree. So that's your image. And then you have the labels explaining the different parts of a tree. So diagram with labels. You have your picture with the words explaining the different parts. Photograph. Photographs are taken with a camera. They're real pictures, so real images. Illustration. Illustration is a drawing done with maybe a pencil, crayon, marker. And the next two we're going to go over today are glossary and index. Let's go ahead and look at those. All right, glossary. Here's the word, the definition, and the example. Remember, the definition explains what the word means. So glossary. Go ahead and say that. Glossary. A glossary gives the definitions of important words in the text. The words are listed in alphabetical order. So do you know those, here we are. Do you know these bold words, those bold print? Well, those are important words that we need to know. Where can you find the definition, the meaning of those words? In the glossary. And where's the glossary located? The beginning of the book, middle of the book, or at the end? It's located at the end of the book. So here is the word again, glossary. A glossary gives the definitions meaning the meaning of the word, of these important words in the text. The words are listed in alphabetical order, so they go from, they go by the ABCs, right? So here's just an example. All right, so that's glossary. Let's go ahead and look at index. Go ahead and say that word, index. Good job. An index lists topics in alphabetical order, okay? And the page numbers where they are located in the book. Again, the index is very important and is located at the end of the book, not in the beginning or the middle, at the end, usually after the glossary. So you have glossary and then the index. So say we're reading something and I want to look up, hey, I want to know more information about amphibians. Where can I go? Which page numbers can I go to? Look for that on. Well, I go to the index. I'm like, okay, well, they mention amphibians on page 1 through 3, page 14, and page 24. So the index lets us know where these different topics can be located throughout the book. Okay, let's go ahead and look at an example. All right, here's this informational book called Elephants. Let's see if we can't find the glossary. Okay, so all the way at the end, we have the, where is it? Right here, glossary. There it is. Okay? Just like in the example, the words are in alphabetical order, and all these words that are darker, they're the bold print that we found throughout the book. Okay? So glossary. A glossary gives you definitions, what the word means, in the text. The words are listed in alphabetical order. Okay? Then index, find it right here, also at the end of a book. Okay? Just like the example, the index. An index lists topics in alphabetical order and the page numbers where they are located in the book. All right, so I hope you enjoyed today's little review over text features. I hope you pay attention next time you see an index and next time you see a glossary. Okay?